Hello student, today we will do question number 1 from exercise 5.3 NCERT Math Books class 10. So without further ado, let's get started. Question number 1. Find the sum of the following AP. Let's see what will be first. Find the sum. AP is given 2, 7, 12, this to 10th term. So here A is equal to 2, T is equal to 5, N is equal to 10. So we will find sum on using formula this N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into T. Using this formula we will find N is 10, 10 by 2, 2 into A is equal to 2 plus N is 10 minus 1 into D is 5. So this will be 5, this will be 4 plus 9, 5, 45, this 5, this will be 49 to 45. This is the answer. Now see question number 2. Question number 2, AP is minus 37, minus 33, minus 29, like this. So here A is equal to minus 37. Common difference is 4. N is 12. So we have to find using formula Sn is equal to N by 2. N is 12. So 12 by 2. Using this formula only. This formula 12 by 2. This is 2 into minus 37 plus N. N is 12. 12 minus 1 into D. D is 4. This will be 6. And this will be, if you multiply, minus 74. And this will be 1144. This is, if you subtract this, so this will be 6 into minus 4 is 0 and 3 means minus 180. This is answer. Now see question number 3. So question number 3. Question number 3 is 0.6, 1.7, 2.8, like this up to 100 terms. So here A is equal to 0.6, D is equal to 1.1, N is equal to 100. So S100 will be then 100 by 2, using that formula only, sum formula. 2a, 2 into 0.6 plus n is 100 minus 1 into d is 1.1. This is if we add if you calculate this, so we'll get this is 50, it's a 50. If this will multiply, then 1.2 plus this will be 99 into 1.1. This will be multiplied 50, 1.2 plus 108 point, this is, it will 50, if you multiply, if you add this, so this will be 11 point 0 and 0, 0, 1, 1. This is, if you multiply this, then this will be 0, does not remove, 5, 0, 5, 5. This is answer. Now see question number 4. Question number 4 is 1 by 15, 1 by 12, 1 by 10. 11 terms. So here it is A is equal to 1 by 15, D is equal to 1 by 12 minus 1 by 15. If we take LCM, then it will be 65 here. 4 means 1 by 60. N is equal to 11. So S11 is equal to then N by 2, 11 by 2. 2a means 2 into 1 by 15 plus n is 11 minus 1 into d is 1 by 60. This is, so This is 11 by 2. This is 2 by 15 plus 10 into 1 by 60. This is 6. This is 11 by 2. 2 by 15 plus 1 by 6. It will multiply this 11 by 2 into this LCM. This will be 34 plus 65. So this will be 11 by 2 into 9 by 30 53 9 3 times means of 33 by 20. This is answer. I hope you must have understood this solution. Today up to here. We will meet in the next session with the next question. Till then, take care.